Well, I believe that if anyone should be investigated, the first person to be investigated is House Speaker Martin Romualdez
Bakit po?
because he's now Speaker. I have some personal knowledge. I will not be elaborating that yet. But I'd like for Speaker Romualdez to be speaking in the... I'd like Speaker Romualdez to also be involved in the DPWH hearings.
Inihayag ni Cavite 4th District Representative Francisco Kiko Barzaga na umalis na siya sa kinabibilangang National Unity Party dahil sa umano'y internal conflict at bumaba sa pwesto bilang House Assistant Majority Leader. Ito'y matapos umano siya ang paghinalaang nasa likod ng planong pagpapatalsik kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez, bagay na itinanggi nito. Gayunman, naniniwala ang neophyte lawmaker dapat kasama si Speaker Martin Romualdez sa dapat imbestigahan kaugnay ng mga anomalya sa flood control public funds.